That's really wide. You want me to put both my feet where these yellow feet?
Yes, ma'am.
That's really wide. My legs ain't been open that wide since I had my daughter. Now what?
Put your hands over your head, please.
Like this? Wow, this is really sexual. Remind me back of my stripping days. They used to call me Magnitude.
Can I have you step outside, please?
Can I close my legs?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Just gonna do a quick pat down.
I got to do all this to get on the airplane?
Yes, please.
George, I got to do all this to get on the airplane?
Ma'am, I need you to put your hands up, please. Thank you.
Go on, pat me down. Now, wait a minute. You're gonna find a road map to heaven. You better come on from up there now. Come on up.